Are electric cars really cheaper to own than traditional gasoline cars? Today, we're breaking down the long-term costs of owning an electric vehicle versus a gasoline car. From fuel and maintenance to taxes and more, let's see which option could save you the most money in the long run. First up, let's talk about fuel. For electric cars, charging is generally cheaper than filling up with gas. Depending on where you live, charging your EV can cost just a fraction of what it would take to fill up a tank of gas. Plus, with home charging, you can power up overnight without needing to stop at a station. Next, let's look at maintenance. Electric vehicles have fewer moving parts, meaning they need less maintenance. No oil changes, fewer brake replacements, and less wear on the engine. Gasoline cars, on the other hand, require more frequent maintenance, which can add up over time. Now, let's talk about taxes and insurance. EVs often come with incentives like tax credits and rebates that help lower the upfront cost. However, depending on where you live, electric vehicles might have higher insurance premiums. That said, over time, those savings on fuel and maintenance could easily balance out the higher insurance costs. Depreciation can be a bit of a wild card. Gasoline cars tend to lose value quickly, but with electric vehicles becoming more popular, their resale value is increasing. EVs may not depreciate as fast as they once did, making them a more valuable long-term investment. So, let's wrap it up. When you factor in fuel, maintenance, taxes, and other costs, electric vehicles often come out on top in the long run. While the upfront cost of an EV might be higher, the savings over time, especially on fuel and maintenance, can make a big difference. Electric cars are no longer just the future, they're becoming the more affordable option for many drivers. If you're looking to save money in the long run while reducing your carbon footprint, switching to an EV might just be the right choice for you. Which car would you choose? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated on all things electric vehicles and sustainable living.